Last one. Chin. Chin.
असेंबली वेस्ट ड्रम सावधान प्रार्थना के लिए तैयार प्रार्थना शुरू कर जैसे थे प्रतिज्ञा के लिए तैयार इंडिया इज माई कंट्री ऑल इंडियंस आर माई ब्रदर एंड सिस्टर्स आई लव माई कंट्री एंड आई एम प्राउड ऑफ इट्स रिच एंड वेरी हेरिटेज आई शैल स्ट्राइव टू बी वर्दी ऑफ इट shall respect my parents teachers and all elders and treat everyone with courtesy to my country and my people. I pledge my devotion in their well-being. Prosperity alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind. जैसे थे असेंबली वेस्ट ड्रम
Good morning, everyone. The thought of the day is honesty is the best policy. I repeat my thought. Honesty is the best policy. Kursi Cadet Gurshan Singh, course SSG 6th. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone.
today's news headlines are as follows. First, some national news. Charanjit Singh Channi to be the next Punjab CM. Delhi had highest civilian injuries by cops in 2020. Priyanka to start 12,000 km Pratigya Yatra from Meerut. Now, some international news. Kabul mayor orders female city workers to stay home. Iran says it may hold nuclear talks at UN summit in NYC. At last, some sports news. CSK beats Mumbai Indians by 20 runs. Virat Kohli to step down as RCB skipper after IPL 2021. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. Today the topic of my speech is Mughal Empire. The Mughal Empire is a self-designed Gurrani was empire extend to all over the part of Indian subcontinent. It began with the victory of Babur over Imran Lodi with a brief of interval of 15 years by when Sher Shah Suri and his successor ruled the country. The Mughal Empire latest from 1526 AD to 17780 for 101 years. The Mughal Empire founded by Babur, who belongs to the Turki section of Turkish race. He also wrote his autobiography Turkish-e-Babri in Turkey. When the Babur died, his son Humayun took the throne in Agra. He divided his territory with his three brothers. When he was defeated in Battle of Connaught by Sher Shah, he go for exile for 15 years. When, with the help of Babri Khan, he defeated the Sher Shah and restored the Mughal Empire. And some other Mughal Empire are Akbar, Jahangir, Shah Jahan and Aurangzeb. The Aurangzeb is the last powerful empire of Mughal. Thank you. Courtesy credit Somin Kumar, Class 8, Course Sainik School, Godakal 9. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. The word of the day is obsolete. Part of speech is adjective meaning no longer produced or used. Synonyms are outdated and outmoded. Antonyms are contemporary and modern. Thank you.
Academy, सावधान. Staff members, बाएं मुड़. Academy, राष्ट्रगान शुरू कर.
जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा काव्य उत्कल गंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जाने
भारत माता की, भारत माता की. Staff members, दाहिने मुड़. Lying तोड़. Teaching staff, lying तोड़. Academy, about 10. Lying तोड़. Load on drum beat to be on.